Hello students, I hope all of you are preparing well, and as the NEET is nearing, I am here to give a brief explanation about morphology of flowering plants and in that particular topic, taxonomy families. Let us have a brief explanation or a glance about the families. You know that so many new families got added like Asteraceae, Poaceae. Poaceae is also called Graminae. Asteraceae got added, and then Brassicaceae, Fabaceae, they were there. Then one more newly added family is Malvaceae. Let us have the brief explanation of all these families and we'll solve some of the questions in these topics. Now, taxonomy families. The first family is Brassicaceae. In that, the Brassicaceae family floral formula will be like E bracteate. Bract is absent in these flowers. So, EBR represents the E bracteate condition. And this represents actinomorphic flowers. And this is representing bisexual flowers they have. And calyx is 4 sepals are present. In that calyx also 4 sepals, 2 will be in the outer whorl and 2 will be in the inner whorl. Then corolla, 4 petals are there and they will show the cruciform corolla. And andrecium, it is having 6 stamens. Outer whorl will be having 2 whorls, 2 stamens, and inner whorl will be having the 4 stamens. And this condition is called as tetradynamous condition. Tetradynamous condition. And then gynoecium, it is made up of 2 carpels. So bicarpellary, syncorpus and superior ovary. Okay, superior ovary is indicated by the underline G. So these are the main characters of the family Brassicaceae. And with this, we have one more feature, replum is present, partial septum. Replum is present in the Brassicaceae. And this family will be showing parietal placentation. And the fruit is siliqua or silicular fruit will be there. Okay, and this family will be indicated by generally a pungent odor. The vegetative organs will be showing the pungent smell because they have the sulfur compounds in them. So this is having one more character, pungent odor with sulfur compounds. So basically, the Brassicaceae family, it will be having the E bracteate condition, then actinomorphic bisexual flowers, and the calyx will be 2 plus 2, outer whorl 2 and inner whorl 2, and corolla will be cruciform corolla with 4 petals, and andrecium with 6 stamens, 2 plus 4 in the tetradynamous condition, and carpels will be 2 with superior ovary, and they are fused, syncorpus condition. And these are the important diagnostic features of the Brassicaceae family. Let us see the next one. Malvaceae. In this family, bract is present. They have the bract which is present at the base of the pedicel, and then actinomorphic flowers, bisexual condition, and epicalyx is present with 5 to 7 bracteoles which will be present in a whorl, that is together called as epicalyx. 5 to 7 will be there or up to 10 can be there. Calyx sepals will be there, the 5 will be there, and then corolla 5, and then andrecium, numerous stamens are present. Infinity, numerous stamens, and they are connected to the petals. So this condition is called epipetalous condition. Epipetalous stamens will be there, and these are monothecous anthers. Monothecous kidney shaped anthers are present in this family. As you see, gynoecium, it is made up of 5 carpels, pentacarpellary, syncorpus, generally pentalocular, and they'll be showing the axial placentation. This also shows superior ovary, and these conditions will be there in the Malvaceae family. And along with that, you have to remember that corolla will be showing the mucilage. Corolla is mucilaginous and it will show twisted estivation. These are the distinguishing features of Malvaceae. So, bract is present, actinomorphic, bisexual, epicalyx 5 to 7, calyx 5, and they are fused. So, gamosepalous, C5, corolla 5, they are polypetalous, andrecium, numerous, infinity stamens are present and they are attached to the petals. And gynoecium is made up of 5 carpels and they are syncorpous condition fused, so within the bracket, and they have the superior ovary. These are the important features of Malvaceae. Next one, Fabaceae. In this Fabaceae, also bract is present, but these are zygomorphic flowers. Zygomorphic condition is seen in this. They are also bisexual flowers. Calyx sepals 5, but they are gamosepalous. C. This is the papilionaceous corolla. Papilionaceous corolla with vexillary aestivation. You know, in the papilionaceous corolla, the first petal will be the standard petal. 2 wing petals are present and 2 keel petals are present. So, they will be arranged in the descendingly imbricate aestivation or vexillary aestivation with papilionaceous corolla. Then andrecium made up of 10 stamens, but the 10 stamens, 9 will be fused to form one tube. So, they will be showing the diadelphous condition. Diadelphy. And gynoecium is made up of single carpel, so monocarpellary condition with superior ovary. It is present in these flowers and they show marginal placentation. And the fruit is legume or pod. Whereas in the Malvaceae, it is the loculicidal capsule, but here it is the legume or pod. So, these are the important characteristics of Fabaceae. Bract is present, zygomorphic, bisexual, K5, they are fused, so gamosepalous, C1 plus 2 plus 2. The last 2 keel petals are fused to form the boat-shaped structure. Andrecium, diadelphous condition, 1 plus 9, 9 are fused, and gynoecium is made up of only 1 carpel with the superior ovary. Let us see the next one, Astraceae. This family is also called as Compositae. It is also called as Compositae, and this family is characterized by the inflorescence head or capitulum. You know, this family is also called as sunflower family. So, ray florets and disc florets will be there in the head or capitulum inflorescence. Flowers are modified into or reduced into florets, and that florets are called ray florets and disc florets. If these two are present, it is called heterogamous head. So, in the sunflower, generally both the florets are present. In this, ray florets are female flowers and disc florets are bisexual flowers. Let us see the floral formula of the ray florets and the disc florets. Ray florets will be showing the bract condition and they are zygomorphic and they are the female flowers, and calyx is modified into pappus. Pappus is hyrae-like structures which help in the dispersal. So, that calyx will be there, and corolla will be 5 are fused, and then andrecium it is 0 because it is a female flower, and gynoecium is made up of 2 carpels and inferior ovary. This is the family with inferior ovary so far. Next, disc florets, bract is present, actinomorphic, bisexual, K is modified into pappus, calyx is modified into pappus, corolla is 5 and they are fused, and then epipetalous condition even here. If andrecium is connected to the petals, it is called epipetalous condition. So, 5 stamens are there and they are connected to the petals. And then gynoecium is also 2 bicarpellary, syncorpous condition, and then inferior ovary. So, these are the important features of ray florets and disc florets of Compositae or Astraceae. With the floral formula and floral diagram, you can write many of the characteristics. These are the important features like pappus is present, epipetalous stamens, and flower sexuality, merosity. These are all important. The next family, Poaceae. This family is also called as Graminae or rice family in short. Rice family. In this, the floral formula will be bract is present, then zygomorphic, bisexual, perianth is present, and P for perionth, and perionth units are called tepals, and generally 2 tepals are present, and they're generally called as lodicules. A androecium is having 3 stamens, 3 or 6, because they have the trimerous flowers. This is the monocot family with the trimerous flowers. Then gynoecium is having only 1 carpel, and it will be showing the superior ovary. So this is the explanation about the poaceae. Here what you have to remember is the perionth is having the lodicules, okay, and it is a monocot family. Monocot family will be showing this features. Poaceae will be showing these features. With this, the explanation part of the 5 important families are over. Then Solanaceae you have. Solanaceae will be showing the characteristics like oblique ovary, and then the particular placentation. Then you have the other family, Liliaceae, that is also monocot family. Here we will discuss about these main families with the questions. Let us go to the next one, the questions. You can see here the first question, corolla is cruciform in case of Malvaceae, Compositae, Poaceae and Brassicaceae. Cruciform corolla, the plus-shaped corolla will be like this. Corolla will be present in case of the family Brassicaceae. So for this, the answer is Brassicaceae. You can see that cruciform corolla in Brassicaceae family. Which inflorescence is used as vegetable? In this, Brassica nigra, mustard seeds, Brassica gentiana, then Brassica oleracea variety botrytis, Brassica oleracea variety capitata. This is cauliflower and this is the cabbage. The answer for this is botrytis, because this is cauliflower, which is used as vegetable, that inflorescence, because the cabbage is a bud. This is not used. Gentiana and nigra, sarson, black sarso, mustard seeds, that inflorescence is also not used as a vegetable. Inflorescence which is used as vegetable is Brassica oleracea variety botrytis, cauliflower. Identify the family that shows below characters. Replum, the partial septum is present in this. It is also called partial septum. Siliqua, the fruit, and parietal placentation. This is shown by the family Brassicaceae. So for this, the correct option will be the Brassicaceae family. It is characterized by these 3 features. Salvia, Sesbania, mustard, aloe, allium, groundnut, turnip, gram, cabbage. Among these, how many possesses stamens with diverse lengths in their flowers? For this condition, stamens with diverse lengths in their flowers means tetradynamous and even didynamous conditions. Didynamous stamens. So these 2 conditions are seen in the given examples. You can see that ocimum and salvia will be showing the didynamous conditions. Then mustard family Brassicaceae will be showing that, turnip, then cabbage. These ones will be showing the conditions. So for this, the answer will be 4. So salvia will be showing the didynamous condition, mustard, turnip and cabbage will be showing the tetradynamous condition. Chief features of Brassicaceae family are presence of alkaloids, oils, gum, pungent odor. As I have already told you, it is characterized by the pungent odor with the sulfur compounds. The vegetative parts will be showing the pungent odor because they have the sulfur compounds in them. Find the mismatch. The lateral ones are called wings, anterior ones are called keels, posterior one is called as vexillum, or posterior ones are called keel. You should remember in the papilionaceous corolla, the standard petal vexillum is always posterior and the anterior are keel petals. So these are all correct only. Lateral side ones are lateral wings, but keel is given as posterior, so this option will be incorrect. So mismatch will be the posterior ones, keel. The keel petals should be the anterior, not in the posterior direction. Which of the following is not a source of pulses? Sem, gram, bean and Sesbania. In this, Sesbania is a fodder plant. So it is not a source of the pulses, what we eat, the proteins. Okay, they are not coming from the Sesbania. It is a fodder plant for the animals. Remaining all will be getting the pulses from this. Which among the following is incorrect about Fabaceae? They have zygomorphic and gamosepalous flowers. They have an inferior ovary. They have diadelphous androecium. Soya bean belongs to this category. So you know that they have the zygomorphic flowers, but they have inferior ovary is wrong because they have the superior ovary. They have diadelphous androecium, stamens correct only. Soya bean belongs to this category, that is also correct. Okay, so the mistake here is the inferior ovary, that is a mistake here. Which of the following is not a floral character of the family Fabaceae? Calyx 5 sepals, definitely 5 sepals, polysepalous, imbricate estuation, corolla 5 petals, polypetalous, vexillary estuation, androecium 10 stamens, diadelphous, gynoecium monocarpally ovary with marginal placentation. The family of Fabaceae, it will be showing the polysepalous condition is the wrong one because it shows gamosepalous condition. This is the wrong word here. Remaining all are correct only. Imbricate estuation, 5 petals, polypetalous, vexillary estuation. Only this word is a mistake in the first option. So that is the incorrect one. Extra whorl of non-essential organs outside the sepals is found in. Outside the sepals, you know, in the Malvaceae family, out of the sepals, okay, the epicalyx is present. So they are talking about here epicalyx. Epicalyx 5 to 7, that is present in which family? Malvaceae. So for this question, the correct answer will be Malvaceae. So outside the sepals they are present, but it looks like as if they are present on the inside because that you will think it as calyx and the tube you will be thinking like epicalyx. But outer side some small hairs will be there outside the sepals, that is epicalyx found in Malvaceae family. Next one, monothecous and versatile anthers are found respectively in. Monothecous anthers are present in Malvaceae and versatile anthers. Versatile means they will be hanging in the air and they can move freely in any direction. They are present in Poaceae family. So the option for this question where both are present, Malvaceae, Fabaceae, Fabaceae, Poaceae, Malvaceae and Poaceae, Poaceae and Malvaceae. For the first one, monothecous anthers, Malvaceae is correct. For the second option, versatile stamens, Poaceae is correct. So the correct option for this will be Malvaceae and Poaceae respectively. In Malvaceae, you can see monothecous anthers and versatile anthers you can see in the Poaceae, in that stamens. Next one, staminal tube, kidney-shaped anthers and monoadelphi are seen in. Staminal tube, that means filaments are fused together to form one tube that will be passing through the style. Kidney-shaped anthers, the shape of the anthers will be like this, and monoadelphi, all of the filaments are fused together to form only one bundle, but anthers are free. Filaments are fused, but anthers are free. This condition is called monoadelphi. These three features are present in the Malvaceae family. Malvaceae family. In the given ones, what are the Malvaceae family members? Datura, hibiscus, mustard and rice. The hibiscus is the Malvaceae family member. So the correct option would be hibiscus for this question. Find the incorrect one from below. Twisted corolla, Malvaceae. Exstipulate leaves, Malvaceae. Parietal placentation, cruciferae. Epipetalous stamens, Solanaceae. You know that exstipulate leaves are present in the Malvaceae. This condition is the incorrect one because Malvaceae also will be showing the stipules like the Fabaceae family members. So in the family Fabaceae and Malvaceae, they will be showing the stipules. But here they have given exstipulate condition. So incorrect one from the below is exstipulate leaves. Malvaceae is the incorrect one. Next one. Which of the following is the character of Asteraceae family? In the Asteraceae family, which characters are seen? Diadelphi, head inflorescence, syngenesious, both B and C. As I have already told you, head inflorescence is seen in the Asteraceae family, the composite sunflower family. Syngenesious means the anthers are fused together, but filaments are free. The filaments are free like this in the disc florets, and you can see that stigma will be bifid above it. That is present like this, syngenesious condition. So syngenetious stamens means anthers are fused and filaments are free. The filaments are free. So for this question, the correct option would be the both B and C, because this family will be showing the head inflorescence, a capitulum, sunflower, then syngenetious condition where anthers are fused and filaments are free. Pappus in florets of Asteraceae are modified. So pappus is coming from which part is actually modified into pappus? Bracts, sepals, petals and thalamus. The calyx, if you have seen the floral formula, I have written in the Asteraceae that calyx is 0 and it is modified into pappus. So, nothing but the sepals is the correct option for this. In Asteraceae, sepals are modified into pappus. They are meant for dispersal of the seeds, etc. Next one, bicarpellary unilocular inferior ovary is found in. Bicarpellary, 2 carpels are present, unilocular, but inferior ovary is present in. Inferior ovaries are shown in the Asteraceae, in the given ones. Okay. So, Brassicaceae, Malvaceae, Asteraceae and Fabaceae, these all 3 will be showing the superior ovaries. Only this Asteraceae will be showing the inferior ovary. Again, you can count even the number of carpels also, but anyhow, this is the clue, inferior ovary. By that, you can identify easily that Asteraceae will be showing the inferior ovary. Then, basal placentation and cypsela fruit is seen in. This basal placentation and cypsela fruit is characteristic of Asteraceae family. So, find out in the given ones which is the Asteraceae member: mustard, Brassicaceae, faba beans, Fabaceae, trifolium, again Fabaceae, helianthus. This is the sunflower family. So, Asteraceae family, sunflower family is helianthus. Helianthus annuus, scientific name of sunflower. So, for this basal placentation and cypsela, you can see in the Asteraceae family member, that is helianthus. Pollen allergy causing Parthenium hysterophorus belongs to Asteraceae, Solanaceae, Liliaceae and Fabaceae. Parthenium belongs to Asteraceae. This is the family to which that Congress grass belongs to. Okay, that Asteraceae family. Ligulate corolla, the tongue-shaped corolla is of Compositae, is also known as. Compositae is another name of Asteraceae. And ligulate means tongue-shaped. Okay, or flat, something like strap-like. Even our tongue will be like strap-like. So, two-lipped corolla, wheel-shaped corolla, masked corolla, flat and strap-shaped corolla. So, for this, the correct option would be flat, strap-shaped corolla. So, ligulate means this strap-shaped. So, in the Asteraceae or Compositae family, it will be showing the ligulate corolla. Which of the following can be regarded as equivalent to perianth? In the floral formula already I have written perianth is present in the Poaceae family and I have written P2 and they are called as lodicules. So, glooms, they are the sterile bracts, palea and lemma, they are the fertile bracts and bracteoles, lemma and palea. Lodicules are the perianth. Nothing but tepals. Glooms, lemma, palea, lodicules. That is the order of the flowers from outside to inside. So, for this, the correct option would be lodicules because perianth tepals are nothing but lodicules in Poaceae family. This is seen in Poaceae family or Graminae. Which is correct for Graminae, Poaceae family? Palea is a bracteole, on is an appendage of palea, spikelets are always in pairs and carpel has 2 styles. In this, the correct one, palea is not the bracteole. Okay, on is an appendage of palea. No. Spikelet of are always in pairs. Spike of spikelets, not necessary. They are not in pairs. Carpel has 2 styles. This is the correct one. Remaining all are wrong here. So, correct for Graminae will be the carpel has 2 styles. Single-seeded fruits are produced in all except in these single-seeded fruits are present, but you have to find out the one which is not showing the single-seeded fruits. Sunflower, mango, mustard and wheat. Sunflower, they'll be showing one seed, mango, one seed, and then mustard. Several seeds will be there in one fruit because the seeds are attached to the rhizoom, partial septum. Wheat, only one will be there. So for this, the correct option would be mustard. This will be showing the many seeded fruits, except you have to find out in all these one seed only will be present. One seed containing fruits. In one fruit. In sunflower, many seeds will be there in total inflorescence, but in one fruit only one seed is present. In mango, it is one seed only. Wheat also, So here mustard fruit will be showing many seeds. Testa is completely fused with pericarp. Pericarp is nothing but the fruit wall. Testa is the outer seed coat. And pericarp is the fruit wall. Both are fused together. You can see this condition in the Poaceae family. And Poaceae will be showing the fruit called as Caryopsis. So this will be the correct condition in that. Caryopsis nut Cypsella akene. The correct option will be Caryopsis because this is the fruit of Poaceae family. And Cypsella is the fruit of the Asteraceae family. Akene and nut you did not get in the families. So this will be the correct one. Cereals belongs to the family Asteraceae, sunflower family, Poaceae, the rice family. So for this, cereals belongs to the Poaceae family will be correct. Malvaceae, Fabaceae. Malvaceae is the hibiscus family and Fabaceae, Faba family or pea family. Asteraceae, sunflower family. So correct option will be Poaceae. That's all. We have completed the morphology of flowering plants. In that particular topic, families we have completed. I would like to tell you one thing. Floral diagram and floral formulas are important with some of the examples of each families. If you practice that, you will be getting out in this morphology chapter questions. Thank you.